Izzy wants the stapler.
I want the stapler. I just want a stapler.
Why would you like a stapler?
So I can staple things?
It's very important that we need a stapler in our room.
This hair was kind of weird.
My dad is ordering meat. We should all go bother him. Izzy.
That's it. Thank you, sir.
Did you get what you wanted?
I hope so.
Did you get what you wanted?
Yay. That's nice.
I'm just really tall. You can tell. You need to go get chicken patties. Go get chicken patties.
We should.
It's 2 for $4.
No.
No, it's too much.
Bye, Izzy Busy.